You had mentioned that you want a green shade, but I'm not sure which one it is.
Okay.
So I'm just going to open up for you options. We have these colors. These are the real colors. This is your real material. It feels like
it feels like how
it looks
okay.
like this. So it has a bit of texture.
Okay. I can already see I like this one. I want like a dark emerald green.
Okay.
That's my birthstone.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
We've never done green.
Haven't you? Yay! That's the
I
first
don't know what it's
thing.
gonna look like.
But yeah, nice. I can see it in my head.
Okay.
Emerald green with gold accents. I think will look really nice with the gold handles, gold borders on some of the doors. It'll look really good.
Oh, okay. And then I think currently have silver, so that won't work definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll be able to change the handles.
Yeah, we'll be able to change the handles. And I was thinking also your glass doors, we can change them and make them the gold ones with the gold frame.
Okay.
So that they match the handles.
That'd be great. So if we're gonna make those handles, so if it's glass, would you still put a handle on it, or would you like find another way? Because I feel like if the glass ones shouldn't have handles on them, they should be like pushed open.
Oh, we can do that. So we can put push to open latches on them.
Great, love that.
Yeah.
Let's do that for the 2 glass ones. Because you can see the gray's got a lot of scratches, so I'm just like, ooh, need a revamp. Then for the marble tops.
Okay.
I think we do need to find something for the tops to just give it the synergy.
All right. So for your counters, you want a marble look,
yes.
Right? So I'm going to suggest something, and I think it will be nice with the emerald green.
Oh, I really like that.
This.
That's nice.
Or this.
Oh, that's the one.
This is the one.
Love it.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the other might be a little bit too white. I want it a little bit off white.
All right.
Yeah.
So it will be PM003 then.
Okay. All right. Perfect.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yay.
So
how long will it take?
2 weeks for us to order the material, because everything is imported, and then for the work it'll take ±3 days.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know your availability. You'll let us know when you're available.
Okay. Yeah, because my schedule's a bit hectic, but we'll figure it out.
Okay, yeah, it is.
Yeah. So you have to do it 3 days consecutively.
It was hard to even get this appointment.
I know. Hi guys, my name is Nadia Nakai. I'm a musician, entrepreneur, reality TV star, and cutie pie. The reason why I explored wrapping my kitchen instead of a whole renovation is I don't have the time that it takes for a whole upliftment and removal and construction people in my house. I live alone. I'm a single lady, and I wanted something that's efficient and quick and still gives you the same amazing effect.
Hi, my name is Prudence Mamaso, and I'm the founder and CEO of the Kitchen Wrap Company.
So we use an innovative way to transform spaces. So instead of doing full renos, we do
surface wrapping, which saves clients a lot of money. It saves time, and it lasts. It's very durable. My first thoughts walking into this kitchen, I thought, this kitchen has a lot of potential, but there are a lot of surfaces that are tired and outdated. And this transformation was going to make a very big impact on this project, on this kitchen. There has not been a lot of challenges in this kitchen. Working on this kitchen, the only thing was there were a lot of worn out surfaces that we had to fix and sand down. We had to change a couple of doors before wrapping. But I wouldn't say that is much of a challenge, because that's what we do on a daily basis.
Wow, it's so pretty. It's exactly how I imagined it. It feels really good. Oh, this is cool. And initially, the previous one, I lost the door handle, so pushed open. Perfect. I absolutely love it. This is so cool. These handles are perfect. I need to change my sink to gold. This is so nice. Thank you so much, the kitchen wrap. I really do appreciate it. I love my kitchen.